How to enable or disable clean preview on HDMI displays for camera output on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button, then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and then tap on camera assistant. After that, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on clean preview on HDMI display. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here says show the camera preview without settings or buttons on HDMI connected displays. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera. So let's test it out. Here I have connected my phone to the HDMI monitor. Okay, here you can see on my display right here, it is showing only the camera without the shutter buttons or the menu. So if I go and change it, so if I change it in here and I'll turn it back on. So if I scroll down and then tap on camera assistant, and then I'll turn off clean preview on HDMI display. I'll switch it off. And here if I go back to my camera, now you can see it will show the preview screen as well as the shutter button and other menu items. So that is what that feature does. It allows you to hide all that features except only showing the camera preview. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.